What happened in this case, to my understanding, is Jimmy Kimmel was pulled by the networks themselves.
Some new lows over the weekend with the MAGA gang desperately trying to characterize this kid who murdered Charlie Kirk as anything other than one of them and doing everything they can to score political points from it.
At this point, whether it's Kamala Harris or whoever, everyone on the left is decrying this is a First Amendment violation. We're now in this totalitarian state. Folks on the right are saying something very different. JP, what is your take on the whole situation?
So my take is, look, if the FCC comes in and shuts somebody down for something that they've said, arguably that is government action. Well, not arguably, that is government action. And so I think the government does have to be careful about how it goes about doing such things. Now, that's a different story from what I think happened here, which is the FCC kind of made its views known, and the companies, the broadcasting companies, decided to pull Kimmel from their shows, essentially, and from their broadcasting. They basically decided, we're not going to broadcast his content. Those are private entities, private employers of Kimmel, who said, no, we don't want this on our network because it's going to impact our viewership, because it's going to impact our reputation, because it might get us in trouble with the FCC. So that's very different from the government coming down and pulling the plug on a show, which it may be able to do, but then it may also have some legal repercussions, and then you'll have to duke it out in court as to whether or not that's a First Amendment violation.